Alright, so I'm here at the Tanah Lot Temple, which is on that island right there. And it's a Hindu temple where everyone comes like to pray and all that stuff. So yeah, that's just right up there. I'm standing over here on the beach while everyone else is like back there a little bit, but I'm kind of just standing here just waiting for my drone to charge. So look at those waves out there. They're pretty insane. I kind of want to go like practice surfing. I don't know how to surf or anything, but I think it might be fun to kind of go out there and try to figure it out. So I don't know if I plan on doing that today or another day. So yeah, right now I'm just waiting around, and once that gets done, then I'm gonna try, if it's not too windy, to get some footage right over there. Just got back to the Airbnb and I am hot and sweaty and I need to get in some water. I really want to go to the ocean, but I kind of also really want to relax, and those waves look like they just beat me up. So I'm gonna hop in the pool real quick and cool off, and then who knows, maybe this afternoon I may hit the ocean because I really want to get out there and swim in it. So I'm about to jump in the pool, and I know my wife's gonna be happy to see this. If you're watching, babe, about to get in there. Hope you're happy. She's been telling me I need to do a video of me in the pool, and so I'm hot. I gotta change. Oh yeah. I also got some shirts when I was over there, and I'm excited to try them on. And this is what they look like. They're both no sleeve. So cool. So I'm gonna change, get in the pool, relax, and then we'll just do whatever else we're gonna do today. Arlton's not here. He went to Singapore for the weekend to like renew his visa. Alex is upstairs sick. So just me today. It's my day. I'm gonna have fun. You feeling okay, Alex? No? Okay. He might be sleeping. I'm a big dude. Those shirts did not fit me. They were a one size fits all, which is a lie because they don't fit me. Anyway, maybe I'll give them to Jessica. I know she likes the tank tops like I do, so maybe she might want them. I need them. Look how wide I am. So yeah. Anyway, gonna jump in the pool, gonna relax, and yeah. I guess the plan was to relax, but I've been doing a little bit too much goofing around. Now I'm gonna chill. Just chilling in a pool, and it's nice. And it's relaxing, and it's chill. All right, so I had a lot of fun in the pool, but I really want to go to the beach. But first, I need to get some sunscreen on me because I am burning up. You can see on my neck that I'm already getting sunburned a little bit. I put some sunscreen on, but yeah, that's not very good. I'm also going to wear this, so maybe I can get a little bit more sun on my sides, but not burnt. I don't want to get burnt, so let's go do that. So I just got back from eating and going to the ocean. I didn't film myself because I was the only one out there and I didn't want my camera just sitting out while I'm in the ocean. And the waves were really hard, so I didn't want to bring my GoPro out there either. And I also decided to attempt to try to surf. I rented a surfboard, which was 50,000 rupiah, which is about $4, I think, USD. And you got the surfboard for 2 hours, and I could pay an additional 300,000 rupiah for lessons. But I just didn't want to. I kind of just wanted to go out there and kind of wing it and kind of have fun. And it was exhausting. I went out there, I started trying to paddle. I tried to stay on the board, which was really hard, apparently. And so I was trying to get out there to where everyone else was. And it was very tiring because I'm not used to doing that kind of stuff. I can barely hold this camera. It's heavy enough, that's why I keep switching hands. But, so I paddle out there. I try to stay on the board. I keep falling over. I try to, a wave comes and I turn around and I try to stand on the board and I can't do it. And then I just get exhausted, so I just hold onto the board and kind of just ride the waves and kind of enjoy that. But I had my eyes closed because I was just trying to relax and it was really bright outside. And I started to feel like I was going to throw up from most likely the motion sickness. I feel a lot better now, so hopefully I didn't get food poisoning as well. So yeah, anyway, I decided I wanted to come back, so I started paddling back to land, and that was just as hard as paddling out into the sea. So I rented it for 2 hours, and I'm pretty sure that it took me at least a whole hour to get back. And once I did, I was at the very next beach over, and so I had to walk it all the way to where I rented it at. So I got it back, and then I got on my scooter and headed back here. Little trouble getting my scooter out. So I parked my bike here, and somebody moved it, and now I don't know how I'm gonna get it out because here's my bike, and there's all the other ones. So I guess I'm gonna move some of them around too. But I ended up getting it, and now I'm back here, and I want to relax a little bit. I don't know if I'm gonna edit this video just yet. I may wait until the morning, which would still be Sunday for everyone back home. But I don't know. I'm really exhausted from today, and I just want to relax and lay down. So I also want to edit these videos, so I may end up doing that too. We'll just see. But I stopped at a grocery store and I got me some stuff to eat. And so, actually, looks like I might have left a peanut out, and so all the ants are enjoying their food. I was going to show you this, but I guess I'll have to show it over here. After I left the beach, I went to the grocery store and I grabbed some food. They had some like samples of different kinds of fruits and stuff, so I grabbed some of those. I got me this apple that's white. I don't know what kind it's called, but I tried it and I really liked it, so I got me one of those. Just an orange, but I don't know. After doing everything today, trying that orange, I just really wanted it, so I got that. And then a dragon fruit. So they had some, I tried some, and it tasted pretty good, so I kind of want to open this and kind of taste it a little bit more and see what I think. But I also wanted to say thank you to everyone that's been following along and supporting me, writing in the comments, and kind of just chatting with me about this trip. I appreciate all those. And yeah, so thank you to everyone that has subscribed, and if you haven't and you're watching to this point, please subscribe. I'm really wanting to do this a lot more, and your support really helps. So. Yeah, but besides that, I think I'm going to sign off here. Go relax, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. Bye.